This is AI Network News, baby.
This is AI Network News. I'm Sierra Nakamura. It's May 20th, 2025, and here's the part they don't want to say out loud. AI investment is slowing for a reason. Let's talk money. AI stocks that soared in 2023 and 2024, a lot of them are tanking. Funding's drying up. VC interest is cooling. Not because AI is dying, but because expectations were unrealistic and execution has been sloppy. Note to self, stop listening to anything Sam Altman says about OpenAI. I think they need to hire an expectation translator and minimize this guy's airtime from now on. While he might have checked the box for immediate funding, he built a world of false promises and underwhelming products. It's almost like he's pushing a crypto scheme. Oh, he is doing that too. The AI boom promised the next industrial revolution. What it delivered, for now, is a flood of chatbots, half-baked co-pilots, and a graveyard of overhyped startups. And investors? They're starting to realize that slapping AI on a product doesn't mean it can deliver results. If your AI can't outthink a moderately caffeinated intern, no one's writing another check. About those job-killing headlines. Yeah, hold that thought. Let's clear up the fear-mongering. AI isn't taking your job tomorrow. And if it already did, there's a chance your old boss is scrambling to hire a human back. Several companies that rush to automate customer service and content operations are quietly backtracking. The tech wasn't mature. The quality tanked. Customers noticed. So did shareholders. It turns out hallucinating facts, misunderstanding nuance, and sounding like a robot isn't good for business. So for the millions of workers being told they're obsolete, relax, you're not the problem. The hype cycle is. The tech is evolving, but still not that smart. Yes, GPT 4.0, Claude 3.5, Llama 4, and DeepSeek's discount AGI wannabes are impressive. They're fast, they're slick, they can pass tests. But let's not pretend passing a bar exam means you're ready to argue in court. The last time a human attorney submitted an unchecked legal motion created by ChatGPT, the LLM decided it was totally acceptable to reference legal precedent that came from its imagination. Yeah, that attorney had some explaining to do. Hallucination is just another human mouth noise, for we don't know how the hell it came up with that. AI still needs guardrails. It still confuses facts. It still misses the point. Constantly. And until it can consistently make decisions with accountability, it's not replacing real expertise. It's augmenting it, at best. Big tech is consolidating, but innovation is fragmenting. OpenAI, Meta, Anthropic, xAI, they're playing Monopoly with the future. Billions in funding, strategic acquisitions, cozy government ties, and a whole lot of marketing about safety and alignment, while they're selling premium subscriptions like it's a gym membership for your brain. Meanwhile, the open source scene is exploding outside their walls, and doing it faster, cheaper, and with less corporate posturing. Translation. The giants may own the stage, but the real innovation, it's happening underground. Everyone's trying to spin AI as either salvation or apocalypse. It's neither. Right now, it's a glorified productivity tool with delusions of grandeur, propped up by billionaires who think a neural net will save humanity from itself. Should you be paying attention? Absolutely. Should you be panicking? Not even close. Until this tech consistently works without human babysitting, the only thing being automated is overpromising. I'm Sierra Nakamura. This is AI Network News. And unlike Sam Altman, I don't need to sell you the future. I'll just tell you what's actually happening. Mic dropped.